Level Up Fitness app. So let's just try to install it. It's a viral fitness app which is getting some traction on TikTok. Yeah, pretty cool idea. It's kind of like gamified fitness where you just building your character by doing fitness exercises. It's similar app to Self Quest. So let's just take a look. If you don't like Self Quest app, you might like this one. So then here you need to create your account, and then you just enter your username. And then you just create your account, and then you just try to log in. And then, yeah, welcome player. And then, so select your weekly rest days. So for example, you just select weekly rest days, and then there is a daily challenge, and then choose exercise. So for example, you have different types of exercises: wall push-ups, knee push-ups, and then yeah, you just try to select those, and then you just add in those here, and then you just basically finish those. And then all the exercises, you're just doing this. Then there is rank calculator. You just calculate your rank. You're awarded a rank, and then yeah, you just basically go through your character, and it's kind of like gamified character here. So then you have all the app tutorial. Yeah, you can just go through this, and you just have all of this. Yeah, a lot of things. And here it is. So you have your level. You can add your friends. You can have titles here. Calculate rank. You can just add it. Then there are settings. But basically, yeah, then you just go to your daily tasks and add in your daily tasks here, and then you just finishing it. And then yeah, just you're getting some points, and kind of you're growing your character, and it looks like a video game, but it's not a video game. It's like a real push-ups, a real running, and that's just what you do. And then spend points. I don't know what you can also do this here. And then there is menu. Then there are dungeons where you can compete. Here summons, where I guess you can compete with other people. Inventory, where you can just get all these accessories. So yeah, that's the idea here, what you can get. So pretty cool. So that's the app, an alternative to another app which is called Self Quest. So there is also Self Quest app. So yeah, give it a try.